if you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you in the rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? She got real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no wig on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks.
What's good, y'all? This your girl Asia XO, and welcome back to the channel. So I got another wig from UNice, and we got to get into the details of this unit. So in the package, I have my wig, and I ordered her in 24 inches. I have wig caps, my edge brush, and an elastic band, and it also came with lace tape. The wig that I'm reviewing in this video is their elastic drawstring 7x5 bye-bye knots Yaki straight wig, and I got her in 24 inches, and she is 150% density. The texture of the hair feels so good, and it feels like real natural African-American hair. And look at the hairline. You can't make this up. Like, I'm not making this up. This is exactly how the wig comes in the package. And then this is the inside of the wig. You get your elastic band, your drawstring. Absolutely love the drawstring touch because it gives it that extra security. And then you have all this good lace here. So I'm just adjusting the strap, making it tighter for my liking, and then I'm going to add a little bit of foundation to the lace to give it more of a realistic look, just to give it like a nice color tint that where it can match my complexion. And let's put this wig on. And now that the wig is on, I'm going to pull the drawstring down, pull that black latch, and then I'm just going to hide the drawstring right underneath my wig, that where she's completely seamless. And y'all know those old school drawstring ponytails, it's just like that. Even though the wig did not come with any comb, she feels so snug. And the lace, like, it's just giving scalp at this point. The hair length comes down to my hips, so she's definitely a true 24 because 24 inches gives my hip to maybe like the top part of my butt. But I'm really just trying to figure out what in the abracadabra, what in the hocus pocus, what in the voodoo hoodoo did they put in this wig for it to look this realistic. Like, I cannot make this up. So automatically, y'all, this wig really do not need too much. I'm just going to add a little bit of heat to the roots and just pass it on with a flat iron. So I'll be back with my final thoughts on this wig, so stay tuned for that. And if you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
You give, you can't be replaced. So go now, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you.
So here's the finished look, and go ahead and get that debit card, that credit card, your man's debit card, credit card, and get you this wig. Like, sis, is you not seeing this? And I did not have to put no work into this wig. None. I just added a little heat to it. Babe, this wig is straight up ready for you as soon as you take it out the box. And yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. I mean, because everything is already done for you. The wig already came pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and it's already parted for you. Now you can change the part if you would like to part it on the left or the right side, but you can part her wherever in the middle crown, because they just give you that much lace to part. And baby, the wig ain't going nowhere because she's super secured. I mean, the hair feels flawless. Love the texture, love the length, just love everything about this wig. You can never go wrong with a bust down middle part. And the wig came pretty fast, so 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Zero boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls came in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, hey, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, got me tripping.